for ideas that will help improve the amount of water saved in our daily lives. We have just finished the selection process and we have selected a winning idea. The winning idea will receive a funding of $10,000 as an appreciation. First, we would like to present to you our goldfishes who are in desperate need of water-saving ideas. They are Eugene, Cindy, and Louis. Next, I would like to present to you the team behind the winning idea. That is Giorgio, Lavando, and Tai Up. They will first present briefly what their idea is before the goldfishes, which is our judges, who will question them about their idea.
My name is Giorgio, and this is my teammate Lavando, and unfortunately today, our other teammate, Tan Kaiko, isn't able to join us for this presentation. So goldfish, did you know that agriculture is the single largest user of all water usage? It is actually using 70% of the total surface water supply. And a research recently has been done by the Food and Agriculture Organization, and it shows that 60% of the total water used for irrigation is actually wasted. My friend Lavando will elaborate more.
And goldfishes, do you also know that the agricultural industry is also the victim and the perpetrator of our rising water usage? Why? Because of the pesticides that they use to keep these crops clean from insects and rodents. These insecticides are then carried by water to the river, where they in turn get absorbed again by the ground for these plants to use, and that makes the growth even more toxic because now it contains pesticide. So the water that is used to irrigate these plants afterwards will contain even more and more contents of this pesticide. Now we decided that this vicious cycle needs to stop. How do we propose to do this? Introducing to you hydroponics. Now what's hydroponics? In hydroponics, we planted these plants inside of this tube, and inside this tube, we water them selectively. So it results in 90% reduction of water consumption. Not only that, research has proven that hydroponics results in 3 times the crop production from your average agricultural industry. And what's better than that is that by using this hydroponic measure, we don't need to use any pesticides or any pest control at all, thus making the water even cleaner.
Okay, so now we are open for questions and answers, and our friend Tan Hai Aung is gonna answer all the questions you give.
Okay, we know that hydroponics is an efficient method to reduce wastewater and also to increase production. So now my question is, why aren't there more people using hydroponics since it's much more efficient like what you said earlier?
The main reason is due to the relatively high cost of setting up and maintaining these hydroponic farms. In addition, hydroponics is a more specialized way of farming, so we definitely need to hire experts who know the technique to take care of them.
So, how much is your setup cost exactly?
It takes around $28,000 to set up the garden for about 500 plants. It includes everything from lights, seeds, nutrients to all the greenhouse equipment.
Can we apply this hydroponic method to all types of plants and vegetables?
No. Plants that take up a large amount of space, such as watermelon and corn, are not suitable to be grown using hydroponics.
Wait. Does it mean that hydroponics can really substitute soil?
Not really. Hydroponic farms can substitute huge variety of plants when it comes to large-scale productions, such as lettuce, cabbage, and potatoes. This method will definitely bring a significant change to the amount of water used.
Okay, back to your previous answer. Why do hydroponics need a certain expert to maintain the plants?
Hydroponics is quite vulnerable to power failures because unwatered plants can dry out rapidly. And also, if something goes wrong, such as infestations, the whole farm can be affected and the entire crop will be wiped out quickly.
What will you need to make this method work?
First, we need funds to provide farmers with their hydroponic farms. Second, we need to hire experts in order to educate the farmers with sufficient knowledge so that the farmers will be able to manage their own farms well. And lastly, we need to conduct research to further improve this method so that we can hopefully bring down the overall cost. So, in order to make all this possible, we need you goldfishes to make our dream come true. Any more questions?
No more questions.
Agriculture is the single largest consumer of fresh water, using a global average of 70% of all water. And from all the water used, 60% of it is wasted. To treat this problem, hydroponics is an effective solution. Not only does it increase crop yield 3 to 10 times, it also uses 10 times less water as compared to soil-based farming. All in all, even though it has its limitation, hydroponic can save a significant amount of water compared to traditional farming methods. By reducing water waste, we can avoid water pollution and water scarcity. All of us can avoid having the same fate as a goldfish out of a tank. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Goldfish.